Let's dive in and demo the discussion tab, since this is most likely where you will be spending most of your time. Each product area will have a discussion area. Click on that tab and then scroll through to see all the latest questions. You can also filter at the top to narrow down the list. On the right side, you'll also see a reminder to mark answers as verified so the community can easily identify correct answers. You'll see a green check mark next to the discussions that are verified. You will also be able to identify the top contributors of this forum, plus see a glance at discussions that still need answers. If you can contribute, simply click on the title and respond. And finally, you'll in the options to bookmark this forum, turn on notifications for the forum, and manage your subscription as well. There are a couple ways to ask a question. First, you can use this area and start to type in your question. You'll see suggestions pop up. Scroll through to see if any match your need. If so, click on the title to engage with the discussion. If you don't see anything that matches what you are looking for, continue typing your question title. Check to make sure you are logged in, and then click Ask. From here, you can continue creating your subject line. Once again, suggested topics will be displayed. If nothing meets your needs, simply close out of it and continue typing. As you create the body of your question, pay attention to the checklist above and consider adding to make your question as detailed as possible. Go ahead and add your question in the text area. If you want to insert any links, videos, pictures, screenshots, code, etc., feel free. You'll find all those options under the Insert choice. Specifically, many users want to add code to their post, to add details to their question. To do this, click on the Code option. You will be able to cut and paste or type the code in. Click OK, and it will be posted in an organized format. You can add tags to the post as well by typing in or selecting from Suggested. When you're happy with the content, click Post, and it will be live in the feed. The second way you can ask a question is by making sure you are logged in and clicking on the plus New button. From here, it works exactly like the last example, where you will fill in the subject and details and then post. Now that we've covered how to ask a question, let's demo how to reply to a discussion. Again, making sure you are logged in, read through the question, and determine if you can answer. If you can, there is a text box underneath the tag area where you can type in your reply. Just like when you are asking a question, you can insert details as needed. And if you think that you have the actual answer, you can click the box for Suggest Answer, and the original poster can review and determine if it should be verified as correct. Once you are satisfied with your response, you can then click Reply. We talked about verified answers earlier. Let's look at one in more detail. Remember, you can find a verified answer by the green check mark next to the title. Open up that discussion and scroll down to see all the replies. The verified answer will be shaded in gray with a green check mark. With that, you are ready to ask and answer questions in the community. We look forward to your contributions.